Rejuvenate, sculpt and relax with our INMODE Allure. The INMODE Allure treatment combines cutting-edge technology with expert hands-on techniques to deliver a transformative experience for your skin and overall well-being, designed to enhance skin radiance, dissolve stubborn fat and promote lymphatic health. This advanced treatment is perfect for addressing sagging skin, double chin and facial tension, while offering the added benefit of detoxification and relaxation. At the heart of INMODE Allure are MiniFX and Forma, two very powerful technologies that work in harmony to sculpt and rejuvenate. Forma uses bipolar radio frequency energy to stimulate collagen production, tighten skin and enhance overall radiance, creating a smoother, more youthful appearance. MiniFX complements this by targeting adipose tissue, improving circulation and supporting fat cell breakdown, leaving you with refined facial contours and enhanced definition. To complete the experience, a specialised lift and lymph massage is incorporated, designed to release tension, detoxify and optimise lymphatic drainage. This hands-on technique not only refines facial contours, but also promotes relaxation, leaving you refreshed inside and out. The result? A smoother, lifted appearance and a sense of revitalised well-being. With no downtime required, INMODE Allure is an ideal choice for anyone seeking an advanced, results-driven treatment that combines aesthetic enhancement with holistic care. Whether you are looking to contour your face, boost radiance, or just simply enjoy the relaxing benefits of this luxurious procedure, INMODE Allure delivers lasting results tailored to your unique needs.